Hi guys! So in today's video, we're gonna be learning on how to fold our clothes properly. And first, we're gonna be doing some shirts. So the first step is to lay it down, upside down on a flat surface. Make sure it's also spread out evenly, and make sure that that surface has enough space for the certain cloth you're gonna fold. Now, we want to spread it out and make sure there's no wrinkles so that we can properly fold our clothes. Now, we're gonna be folding this cloth into 3 parts. So, right to over here, and the other one here. So it looks like this. Now we want to fold the sleeves back so that there is enough space and it will look nice like this. And our final step, but first we need, before the final step, you may also spread it out evenly so that it will look flattened. And our final step is we're gonna get the bottom part and fold it to the top. So let's try to do it. So lay down, flat surface, spread out, fold into thirds, pull the sleeve back, optional, spread it out so that it can be flattened, and fold it bottom to top. Now we have one more t-shirt. So this time I'll really not say what you're gonna do. I'll do it as fast as I can as well. And there we go. Now, since we already know the t-shirts, time to move on to the pajamas. But this is just an extra, so it's only gonna be one. We're gonna have a pajama and a sleeveless shirt. So the pajama is just the same, lay it on a flat surface, spread it out so that there's no wrinkles. This time we're gonna fold it in half, like this. And we're gonna fold it in half, but this time from bottom to top. And then we spread it out. And it should look like this. You can make it one more, but that's only optional. So let's move on to the sleeveless shirt. Again, same. Face down, flat surface, spread it out without wrinkles. Fold into thirds. No, actually, I forgot it's a sleeveless shirt. So it's from bottom to top. And then we want to do also from right to left, carefully. And there we have it. So that's all for this video. Bye!